Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a stitch called Blossom Stitch, which again uses a set of V stitches and chain spaces, and it's quite dense pattern and it works out well with any type of yarn like lace weight yarns too and cotton based pale yarns, and you can use the color changes also in this pattern. I'm using Aran yarn. I made the swatch with Wait for yarn, which is dried rose hobby store, Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn with color code 2038, and it's a dried rose. Its color name is dried rose. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate also with the same yarn. Just for the clarity sake, I'm using this thick yarn for demonstration purpose. And this pattern works best with lace weight yarns as well as cotton yarns and any yarn like lightweight yarns, you can call them. Okay, so this pattern requires multiples of 4 plus 1 chain, so I shall make the definite number of chains required to demonstrate and get back to you. I have made 4 multiples of 4, 16 plus 1, 17 chains. So place 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet. It is double crochet V stitch in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Skip 1 chain and place a single crochet. Again skip 1 chain, place 1 double crochet V stitch. So this is the repeat stitches for row 1. Skip 1, place a single crochet. Skip 1, double crochet V stitch here. The next, that is every alternate chain you are making a double crochet V stitch and a single crochet. So skip 1 and in the next one I am making in the next chain single crochet. Then skip 1 chain and in the next I am making DC V stitch. So you will be left with last 2 chains. Skip the next chain and place 1 single crochet in the last chain. Row 2, you have the option of either making chain 4 or making a double crochet here and chain 1. So I am going to make a double crochet here. Chain 1. Skip this first single crochet and this one DC and place 1 single crochet in chain 1 space. Then chain 1. Skip this DC and place 1 DC in the single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the DC in the chain 1 space of the DC V stitch, single crochet. Chain 1. DC in single crochet here. Chain 1. This is a pattern repeat, that is in chain 1 spaces of V stitches you are placing 1 single crochet, then you are chaining 1 and in every SC of the previous row you are placing a double crochet. So that is what you are doing. So now we are into the chain 1 space. I have already made 1 chain, so single crochet. Sorry, as I told you, my hold is featherweight hold. Single crochet done, chain 1 and in the single crochet 1 double crochet, again chain 1, in the chain 1 space 1 single crochet, chain 1 and place a double crochet in the last turning chain here. So let's go to row, chain 1 and turn. Do not work on this DC and skip the chain 1 space also, and in the next single crochet here place DC V stitch. This, okay. Now skip the next chain 1 space, 1 SC in DC here. This chain 1 space we are skipping and placing 1 SC here. Repeat. That is, on every single crochet you're going to make DC V stitch, and on the DCs you're placing your single crochet here. So we are in the next SC, so make a DC V stitch here. Then we are come to the DC, so make a single crochet here. There is no chain space separating the stitches, but in the DC V stitch we do have chain space. So again, single crochet make DC V stitch, and on DC we work a single crochet, DC V stitch, and we end with a single crochet here. So next we repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. Okay, row 2 is we work a DC, chain 1 or chain 4 and turn. I am going to work a DC direct. Row 2 is, just for recap, DC, chain 1, and in the chain 1 space 1 single crochet, then chain 1, and in SC you are placing a double crochet, chain 1, under the chain 1 space of the DC V stitch you are placing a single crochet. So that is the pattern, that is the repeat stitches for row 2. That is what we are doing over here. In row 4 we are placing a DC on SC and an SC in chain 1 space separated by chain 1s throughout the row. I shall complete till the end and get back to you. I have ended the row with the DC here, chain 1 and turn, make a DC V stitch on SC, and a single crochet on DC. This is the row 3 pattern repeat. Pattern repeat is rows 2 and 3, steps 2 and 3. Thank you friends for watching this video. Once I completed the swatch, it looks like this. Hope you enjoyed the stitch, and if you use it for any pattern, do post your pictures in this video and under the comment section. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you get notified of the videos that we upload. Have a great day friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.